Okay, they're not here yet. I think they're still massing. Okay, they're here. Dismounted now. They're dismounted. They're dismounted southwest. Okay, just clear the guards. Fast. Clear the guards. Separated up Judy, okay? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Same numbers, I think.
Okay, they're walking in
Yung
the
QK.
Fine, just kill the Lord, kill the Lord, just
Kill the Lord, guys. Kill the Lord. Just kill the Lord. Kill the Lord. Heal, Perry, please. Kill my front. Kill my front, please.
Okay. Kill inside.
Okay, full damage now. Okay, Judy now. Judy now. Judy. Okay, full engage in the choke. 3, 2. Wait. They have Judy. Cap the outpost, guys. Cap the outpost. Low. Come back. Spread. They have one mace engage. Okay, stabilize. Careful. They're looking. Okay, spread. Okay, ball down. Ball. Kill the healer, guys. Kill the healer. Is the mark. Okay. Okay, come back to that post. We'll cap this. Cap, guys. Cap, Dap Judy. Do you have Judy? Okay, don't tap that.
Oh shit.
Just cap.
Yeah, we need to get the guards extra defense.
Careful. They're looking. Careful, guys. Kill the healer, guys. He's slow. Kill the healer. Engage on the healer. In 3, 2, 1. No. Kill him. Okay, come back to that post. Dap Judy now. Dap Judy.
Southeast.
Oh.
Okay, come southwest. Guys, come southwest, guys. We need to get out. Come southwest, guys. Come southwest. And Dap Judy here. And go southeast now. Go southeast, guys. Go southeast. Hello? Go southeast. I need to stabilize here. Come southwest. So many people. I cannot kill. Their hero was so low.
many.
Wait. Third party. Come back. Heal up.
Let me mana.
Mana first. We will check. Okay, they're fighting. Okay, dismount on me. Dismount now. We'll kill QK. Okay. Walking. Okay, full damage now. Full damage to the club. Go. Kill them. Get your curry. 3, 2, 1. No. Nice one, guys. Okay, come southwest. We need to fight. They're gonna have a... Okay, just keep rolling. They're low. I'm gonna kidnap their healer. The healer's on me. Kill him. Okay, spread. Nice. The healer's dead. Spread, guys. They have another healer. What the fuck? Kill that healer, guys. He's on shield.
On me.
Keep fighting, stay niya. Keep fighting, stay niya. Keep fighting.
Let's go.
Nice damage, guys. Nice damage.
Oh no.
Kill the healer. Kill the healer, guys. He's inside of us. TF2. Kill the healer. Nice kill. Okay, finish. Okay, come back, Nerdist. We need to kite. That's another team. We need to kite, guys. Come Nerdist, guys. Come Nerdist. Oh, shit. Okay, keep coming, Nerdist, guys. You guys okay? Run, Nerf. You can fight.